The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, keyless start, cruise control, universal garage door opener, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power door locks, fog lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.